In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the Profoto Air TTL remote, as well as the Air TTL remote built into the A1. The first thing you want to ensure is that all of your Profoto equipment is running on the newest firmware. You can download the latest firmware at profoto.com and use the included USB cable to update. Now, we're going to speak about the Air remote built into the A1. The first thing you need to ensure is that the Air remote inside the A1 is turned on. Go into the menu, select Air, and toggle it to on. Now, the A1 is broadcasting the Air signal. Next, we need to put it into TTL or manual mode. You do that by flipping the switch on the side here. In TTL mode, the camera is making exposure changes for you. In manual mode, you're controlling the power. On the A1, you also have 6 groups. Here on the back of the unit, you have A, B, C, and D. Just like with the other Air remotes, groups A, B, and C are TTL and manual. Groups D, E, and F are manual only. To toggle the modeling lamp on each group, simply select the group and press model. A small dot will appear next to the group when the modeling lamp is activated. And to toggle the power of the head on and off, simply hold down the group button until you get 2 dashes. Once you have your batteries installed, you can power up the Profoto Air TTL remote. To control your different groups, you press A, B, or C for individual access to each group. You can control the energy from the Air remote in tenths of a stop, or you can press and hold the energy button down for full stop adjustments. Also from the Air remote, you have the ability to turn groups on and off and to activate the modeling light on each group. You also have the ability to turn the head on and off from the Air remote. Simply press the head button and 2 dashes will appear next to the group that you're controlling. In addition to being able to control each group individually, you have the ability to control them all together. You simply deactivate the group that you're currently controlling and use energy to power up and down. This is useful if you have a ratio set and you want to bring them all up and down together. The next section of the Air remote is the mode. Simply click the mode to toggle whether or not you want to shoot in TTL or manual. The next section of the Air remote is where you'll display what sync mode you're in. You have first curtain, second curtain, and high-speed sync. The control of this section will vary from camera system to camera system. The Profoto Air system has 8 channels and 6 groups. Channels trigger all the lights together. Groups give you individual control of each one of those lights. Each group can have an infinite amount of lights as long as you want to control them together. The final button on the Air remote is your test button. This gives you the ability to trigger your light so you can ensure that you're on the proper channel and group. The Profoto Air system can remotely control TTL up to 300 feet and sync up to 1,000 feet.